Is it possible to install mods on Minecraft Nintendo Switch Edition?
Hey there, Minecraft enthusiasts! In today's guide, we're diving into a topic that has been asked time and time again. Can we install mods on the Minecraft Nintendo Switch Edition? The short answer is it's technically possible but not officially supported. It's a little bit tricky and it may violate Nintendo's terms of service, so it's important to know that you're doing this at your own risk. Now, let's get into it.
What is modding?
Modding is the action of modifying a game to change its content from what it originally was. This could mean adding new items, characters, enemies, or changing gameplay mechanics. In the context of Minecraft, mods can bring in new types of blocks, creatures, mechanics, and even entirely new dimensions.
Can you mod Minecraft on Nintendo Switch?
Nintendo Switch doesn't natively support mods like the PC versions of Minecraft, Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. However, there are workarounds to install mods, but these are not officially supported by Mojang or Nintendo and could potentially harm your game or console.
What are the risks?
Before you even consider modding your Nintendo Switch, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Modding can lead to voiding your warranty. Nintendo does not officially support modding, so if anything goes wrong, they are not liable to fix it. Banning of your Nintendo account. Nintendo has systems in place to detect modifications and they can permanently ban your account as a result. Potential damage to your console. Improper modding could lead to serious issues with your console and may render it unusable.
What's the alternative?
If you're really set on experiencing Minecraft mods, the safest way is to play the game on a platform that officially supports mods. Minecraft, Java Edition, available on PC, has a massive modding community and thousands of mods to choose from. The Bedrock Edition, available on various platforms including PC, also supports add-ons which offer a similar functionality to mods. So there you have it. While it's technically possible to install mods on Minecraft Nintendo Switch Edition, it's a risky endeavor and not officially supported by Nintendo or Mojang. For those looking to enjoy the wide world of Minecraft modding, we recommend exploring Minecraft, Java Edition or Bedrock Edition on a different platform. Remember, safe gaming is happy gaming.